Namaste everyone. As we are going through this chapter linear equation in one variable, so today I will be discussing some of the numericals from exercise 2.4. So let me read out the question number 4. One of the two digit of a two digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digit of this two digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? So in the first statement it is given already that one of the two digit of a two digit number is 3 times the other digit. So let the digit at one's place be x. Therefore, the digit at tens place will be 3x. So therefore, the original number is equal to, it will be 10 into 3x plus 1 into x, as all of you know. Okay, since the digit in the tens place should be multiplied with 10 and the digit in the unit place it should be multiplied with 1, so I have written in this way. Now 10 into 3x, it is 30x plus x, so it will be 31x. Okay, now in the second statement it is given if you interchange the digit of these two digit numbers. So let us interchange this. Interchanging the digits. The unit digit becomes equal to 3x, because before that the tens digit was 3x, now the unit digit will become 3x after interchanging, and the tens digit becomes x. Therefore, the new number is equal to 10 into x plus 1 into 3x. So 10 into x means 10x plus 1 into 3x, it will be 3x. So that means it will be 13x. Now according to the question, so it is given in the already that if you interchange the digit of the two digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. So if I add these two digits, okay, according to the question, 31x plus 13x, okay, the resultant will be 88. So now let us find the value of x. So it is 44x is equal to 88, which implies x is equal to 88 divided by 44. So it is 2. Therefore, the original number is equal to 31x, which is 31 into 2. So the number is 62, which is our final answer. Okay, so the next question number 5. Shabu's mother's present age is 6 times Shabu's present age. Okay, Shabu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present age? So Already in the first slide it is given that Shabu's mother's present age is 6 times Shabu's present age. So let whose present age be x. Therefore, his mother present age will be 6x. Okay. Now, Shabu's age 5 years from now. So after 5 years, Shabu's present age, age will be x plus 5 years. Let us write here years. Now, according to the question, it is given that Shabu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So, after 5 years, Shabu's age will be x plus 5, and he will be 1/3 of his mother present age. So 1/3 of his mother present age. So mother present age is 6 years. So now let us calculate it. So it will be x plus 5. We can reduce here. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So it will be equal to 2x. So 5 is equal to twice x minus x. Therefore, we can say x is equal to 5 years. So, Shabu's present age will be present age is 5 years, and his mother present age is, it is 6x, that is 6 into 5, that is 30 years. So this is our required solution. Now question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. So let us consider, let the length of the plot be 11x. Since it is given, the ratio is given, length and breadth ratio is given 11:4. So the length of the plot be 11x and the breadth of the plot be 4x. Again, in the next part of this question, it is given at the rate 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 to fence the plot. So from here we can find the perimeter, because it is given that for 100 meter, the cost of fencing will be 75,000. So what will be the perimeter of this plot? Perimeter of the plot, it is equal to, we can say, total cost divided by, it will be cost of 1 meter. So therefore total cost, it is given 75,000, and cost of 1 meter, it is given 100. So the zeros are cancelled, that is 750 meters. So this is the perimeter of the plot. Now already we know the perimeter, because since it is a rectangle, so perimeter of rectangle, it is 2 into length plus breadth. So let us write this. Perimeter of rectangular plot, it is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. Now already we have taken out the perimeter, which is 750 meter. 750. It is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So it will be 11x plus 4x. Okay. Now this 2 can we bring it here. It will become divided form, since it is multiplied here. 11, it is 15x. So we can. So 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. Okay. 2 7 is 14. 2 5 is 10. It is 375. So what will be x? So x is equal to, it is 375 by 15. So now let us reduce here. It is 5 3 is 15. 5 7 is 35, 25. So here 25. So again we can reduce with 3. So x is equal to 25. Therefore we can say that length. Therefore length is equal to 11x, which is 11 into 25. Okay. So 11 into 25, that is 275 meter. Breadth equal to 4x. So it will be 4 into 25. It is 100 meters. So this is our